I shouldn't try a video just on this one space because it's just such a beautiful space and it deserves to be filmed, and there's a lot of detail in it too. So so stay tuned, and I'll show you inside of that. Do all that stuff too in a minute. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna walk in first and then we'll walk back out, show you all the detail when we come. But yeah, this place is beautiful. So I think first thing we'll do is we'll focus on the hearts. Got nice balconies. Beautiful space here. So it looks like they have all these hearts here. You can write on them. Things like love and different things. Nice wishing well. So actually this one, I've seen this before. So usually this is just a normal well that's been here for a long time. But now today it's they've made it into art, a really beautiful art exhibition space. Looks like they also have it over here too, so you can write it here, put it in the wishing well, or you can put it around the tree as well. Then you got some galleries. Let's just kind of check them all out. Lots of galleries here. That's inside this one as well. So they're celebrating the handover to China 21st anniversary, which is 21 years ago already. It transferred from Portugal to China. A lot of changes. The Portuguese, they tell me a lot about the changes, about how much change has taken place. It used to be something like 5 or 10 times more Portuguese around, and they're almost all gone. And the kind of Portuguese kind of talk about how, you know, for the most part, they kind of want to erase their existence from the city. But I think that's from, there's just so many changes. I don't know if people always understand, don't really appreciate how beautiful the city is and all the different aspects of it that make it so beautiful, including all the stuff that's legacy of that coexistence from whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it's 21st year anniversary stuff, but then I was focused on all this beauty in here. I love these trees too. It's kind of like you can head back out. It's nice. So let's head on out. And we kind of look along the wall here. Albergue 1601 Portuguese restaurant. It's be kind of a nice short one. Yeah, there's some beautiful legacy from the Portuguese. Some of the architecture. It's nice. Look at that tree. So we're gonna just go up a little bit, and then we're gonna try to overlook this from this other courtyard, which is right next to this one. Now we can overlook this. It's pretty beautiful. Okay, so yeah, it's nice. Let's see. And of course we have our courtyard there. I'm gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimentação.